Have you ever heard the term starving artist? It's like a rule everyone says is true, that if you want to make art, you have to be poor. That being creative means you can't be practical. Well, I'm here to tell you that rule is completely broken. Here's the big problem. The world is telling artists they can't make money. Galleries take too much. Online is too crowded. It feels impossible. So you end up with a pile of beautiful art in your studio and a pile of bills on your kitchen table. But what if I told you the game has changed? What if the very thing that makes you an artist, your unique story, your style, your way of seeing things, is now your biggest business tool? Today, I'm going to show you how. This isn't about quick tricks. It's about building a real, lasting way to make money from your art. We're going to talk about turning what you love into a real income. And it all starts with one simple shift. The shift is this. Stop thinking of yourself as just an artist who sells paintings. Start thinking of yourself as a creative entrepreneur. An entrepreneur is just someone who solves problems with their skills. Your skill is creativity, and in today's world, that is more valuable than ever. People don't just buy pretty things anymore. They buy connection, they buy meaning, they buy stories. In fact, studies show people are 22 times more likely to remember a fact if it's wrapped in a story. Your art is a story. Your journey is a story, and that story is worth money. So, let's break down exactly how to make this work. We're going to explore your new income map. Think of it like a pie. A good business pie has many slices. If one slice is small one month, the others can still feed you. Your goal is to bake a pie with at least 3 or 4 solid slices. The first, most obvious slice is selling your original art and skills directly. This is your classic painting or sculpture. But even here, there are smart ways and hard ways. You can sell finished pieces from your website or at art fairs. You can take commissions, where someone pays you to create a custom piece. This is great, but it can be hard work because you are bringing someone else's vision to life. A key tip? Always agree on the price and how many changes you'll make before you start. Protect your time, but this slice is just the beginning. Because if you only sell originals, you only get paid once for hundreds of hours of work. That's a tough way to build a pie. You need slices that keep giving. That brings us to slice number 2, digital and passive income. This is a game changer. Passive income means you create something once and it can sell for you over and over, even while you sleep. Now let's be clear. The word passive is a little misleading. It takes a lot of active work to set it up, but once it's going, it becomes a powerful slice of your pie. How do you do it? First, prints and merchandise. You can take a painting, digitize it with a high-quality scan, and sell prints. Or you can put that design on products. You can use print-on-demand sites. These sites handle the printing, production, and shipping. You just upload your design, and when someone buys a mug with your art, the company makes it, ships it, and sends you a profit. It's a way to get your art into people's everyday lives without you packing a single box. Another powerful idea is selling digital products. What does your audience need? Maybe they are other artists who love your style? You could create and sell unique brush packs for Procreate or Photoshop. Maybe you're great at drawing flowers. You could sell a bundle of your floral illustrations as digital files for other people to use in their projects. You create it once, and it can be downloaded thousands of times. The secret to this slice is knowing who you are selling to. Are they other artists? Are they homeowners looking for decor? Are they small businesses? Create what they need, in your unique style. Okay, slice number 3 is a big one. Teaching and sharing your expertise. You have a skill that other people want. Sharing it doesn't take away from your art. It builds your community and adds a strong income slice. You don't need to be a famous professor. You just need to know one thing better than the person who wants to learn it. You can host local workshops at a community center. You can create pre-recorded online courses or tutorials on platforms like Skillshare. You can even build a YouTube channel showing your process. That channel itself can make money from ads, and more importantly, it brings people into your world. When they trust you as a teacher, they are much more likely to support you as an artist. This leads perfectly into slice number 4, building a community and getting supported. This might be the most important slice for the modern artist. Platforms like Patreon let your biggest fans support you with a small monthly fee. In return, you give them special things. Maybe they get access to your secret sketchbook, a monthly live drawing session, or a discount on everything you sell. It's like having a fan club that directly helps pay for your studio time. This creates a predictable income, which is pure gold for any creative business. Now, let's talk about slice number 5, licensing and commercial work. This is when a company pays you to use your art on their products. A puzzle company, a clothing brand, a stationery shop, they handle the manufacturing, the sales, the retail space. You provide the art and usually earn a percentage of every sale. It's a way for your art to reach people in places you never could on your own. You can also do commercial illustration. A small business might need a logo or a label for their honey jars. They hire you to create it for a flat fee. This is more like a project-based job, but it uses your core skills. So we have our 5 slices: originals, passive, digital, teaching, community, and licensing. That's a full pie. But how do you actually get people to pay attention? How do you get them to care about your story? This is where everything comes together. You use the tools right in your hand. Social media isn't just a place to post a picture of your finished painting and say for sale. That's the old way. The new way is storytelling. Remember that stat? Stories are 22 times more memorable. Show the struggle of the blank canvas. Show the happy accident that made the painting better. Talk about why you painted it. People connect with the real person behind the art. When you tell that story, you're not just selling a product. You're offering a piece of a world you've created. And when people feel connected, they want to be a part of it. They might buy a print, join your Patreon, or sign up for your class. One story can feed multiple slices of your pie. I know this sounds like a lot. You might be thinking, I just want to paint. I don't want to be a marketer, a teacher, and a business owner. That's a fair feeling. But here's the final, crucial point. You don't have to do it all at once. And you don't have to do it all alone. Start with one slice. Maybe this month you set up a simple online store for prints. Next month, you start a Patreon with one cool benefit for supporters. The month after, you film a short tutorial. Build your pie one slice at a time. The starving artist is a myth from the past. Today's artist is a storyteller, a teacher, a community builder, and a smart business person. Your art has value, your story has power. And in a world that craves real connection, that is your greatest advantage. So pick up your brush, your pencil, your stylus, but also open your mind. You are not just creating art, you are building a life, one creative slice at a time. And that is a story worth telling. That's the map. From the starving artist to the creative entrepreneur. It's not a magic spell that works overnight. It's a practice, just like your art. Some days you'll work on your craft. Other days, you'll work on your business. And that's how you build a life that is truly sustained by your creativity. I truly hope one idea from today sparked something for you. Maybe it was the print-on-demand tip, or the thought of starting a small Patreon. If it did, I'd love to hear about it. Your journey is what makes this community interesting. This is just the beginning of the conversation here at Art Soul Academy. On this channel, we break down the puzzles of the art world. Not just how to make art, but how to make a life with it. If that's a conversation you want to be a part of, I'd be so glad to have you here with us. So tell me in the comments, which one of these pie slices are you going to try first? Are you team prints, team digital brushes, or team Patreon? Let me know. Seeing what you all create is my favorite part of this. Thank you so much for spending your time with me today. Keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video.